In this video, we're going to introduce you to YMGI's 56 series solar assisted mini split. The 56 series solar system includes 4 major components: the outdoor unit, the indoor unit, the remote control, and the solar panels. YMGI's high-efficiency 56 solar series mini split system offers quiet climate control with minimal impact to the environment. The 56 series is a solar-assisted mini-split heat pump system. It is designed to allow you to wire solar panels directly to the outdoor unit, generating electricity that will reduce grid power use on sunny days, when you need air conditioning the most. The 56 is a hybrid unit that has no battery pack, so it still requires hookup to a 220-volt power supply, so that it can provide heating and cooling when the sun is down or on an overcast day. With heating and cooling capacities of 12K and 18K, the Solar Series is designed with 2 terminal blocks, one for wiring to a 220-volt power source, and the second allows you to wire directly to a solar panel array with up to 5 panels, or 1,000 watts total output. That can increase unit efficiency up to 32 SEER while reducing your power usage. When in heating mode, the same unit absorbs heat from the outside air and moves it indoors to heat the room. In most climates, this results in efficient heating and cooling, keeping you comfortable all year long. YMGI mini splits are designed to heat and cool quickly, quietly, and efficiently. Mini split systems are a great solution for new construction, retrofits, or remodeling jobs. Mini split systems are totally ductless. The wall-mounted indoor unit is installed in the room you want to heat or cool. It's connected to the outdoor unit with refrigerant lines through a 3-inch opening in the wall. Installation is faster and easier than a conventional ducted system. The outdoor unit's compact design allows for ground installation or mounting in a variety of discrete locations, including on a wall, under a deck, or even on a balcony. Easy to operate, each YMGI mini-split indoor unit includes a remote control that allows you to set the desired temperature, operating mode, fan speed, and oscillation of the air louvers, giving you complete control of your environment. The remote also lets you program start and stop time. YMGI Symphony Solar Series 56 solar-assisted mini-split features include: minimize municipal power usage as low as 30 watts. Power management system that optimizes power usage between municipal AC and photovoltaic panel supplied DC power. Advanced comfort and safety controls. Can be integrated to work with existing solar panels if parameters matched. R410A refrigerant and constructed with environmentally friendly materials. Eligible for federal tax credit and state and utility companies rebate programs. YMGI would like to thank you for watching our video. If you have questions about this or any of our products, please contact us.